Get acquainted with the 2019 Jeep Compass. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.